Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Terry here. Today's episode we are taking our 4Runner, currently 9,304 miles on the odometer, in for its 10,000 mile tire rotation and oil change at Fox Toyota where we bought it. And we've got a $29.99 oil change coupon from Toyota with a free tire rotation, or it's free today, I don't know, but this will be a second oil change either way. Our previous 5,000 mile maintenance for the 4Runner was kind of tedious and painful to go through. They argued with me over getting the oil changed at 5,000 miles, and they did not reset the oil change warning light. I had to bring it back. And they also tightened the oil filler cap on so tight that it couldn't be loosened. I had to have a neighbor help me. It was on there tighter than it should have been on. I think you guys know it's one of those Toyota TRD aluminum oil cap. I was really upset, so I hope that doesn't happen today. If it does, I'll never go back there again for service. We're taking our truck there after this. We'll see how it goes. Now, back in the day, Toyota and Honda dealers had vaunted service. It was like you bought a Cadillac if you took your Toyota or Honda in for service, even if you had a little Civic or whatever you drove. That's changed because dealerships have combined everything and they're multi-dealerships. Fox Toyota is part of Fox Chevrolet, Fox Volkswagen, etc., etc. That vaunted Toyota customer care is gone. It's a shame Toyota has let this happen across the board. Here we go for our 10,000 mile maintenance. You can see the truck behind us. I had it polished at Classic Appreciation a few days back. It's looking brand new, and let's hope they don't muck it up. Here we go, folks.
12 seconds later.
Okay, post-polish too. I just want to do a quick walk around for you guys. I picked this truck up at night, and I just want to show you the excellent work that Greg and his team did at Classic Appreciation. I mean, total perfection. All right, so I brought the truck in looking really good. You know, this will protect it for the winter. You know, it looks better than new, if you ask me. And what a beautiful truck. It's a shame that the 5th generation 4Runner will end production. And let me come up here over the hood. What a classic design from Toyota. It makes me really upset, or at least it makes me wonder why they couldn't just add a 6-speed transmission to this and maybe have tweaked the 4-liter V6 and saved a lot of development money, maybe tweaked a body panel or two and kept it going. And you know, I'm not a big fan of the TNGA platform. There's multiple TNGA platforms. If the TNGA platform is a cost saver for Toyota, then why are prices going up? I hate this stuff. I've said to you guys before, you know, one, Toyota is now in with all the other car brands. They don't care about you after you buy your vehicle. That generation that designed this truck is gone from Toyota. Let me come up and show you the roof. And we can call this bonus material, but they did such a great job at Classic Appreciation. This truck will never be sold. I would bet you in 15 years it still looks like this under my tutelage and care.
6 hours later.
We're gonna pull into the service bay for our 10,000 mile maintenance, which includes a tire rotation. So here we go. Drive over the line. And you really don't want car washes at the dealer. They have a very inexpensive wash rack usually, and they just spray water over it and bring your car back up front without drying it. So that's what we're gonna do. Alrighty. Okay. Let me shut this off. Get my phone. Right.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. I'm here for my 10,000 mile maintenance.
All right. And then what's the last name?
Flynn, F-L-Y-N-N.
All right. I'm just gonna get it checked in here for you. I'll meet you at my desk. I'm all the way at the very end there.
Okay, I have some instructions for the vehicle.
Okay.
All right, the last time I was here, they did not reset the oil change light, and I had to bring it back.
Oh, I got
That
you.
really sucked. And I have the aluminum TRD oil cap on my truck.
Okay.
They tightened it so hard, I couldn't get it off.
Oh,
I had to ask for help to get it off.
Oh, I gotcha.
All they need to do is just tighten it a little bit.
Tight. I got you.
can type. Can you also check the tire pressure?
Yeah, well, they'll take care of that when they do the inspection.
Okay, and then I don't know if my oil change is free or I have to pay for it.
If the 10,000 mile service is still active and still good, it'll be covered.
I got the oil changed at 5,000 miles.
So it depends. I'll have to look it up. We'll take care of that in a second.
Yeah, I change the oil every 5,000 miles.
Yeah, I don't blame you.
Okay,
So
yep.
I'll meet
okay.
you over there in just a second.
All right, great, thank you. I'll take care of paperwork and let's see how it goes.
Many tic-tacs later.
Well, look at this cool shirt. Toyota Racing Development. Cool shirt here at the dealer. This 2023 Tundra is very compelling at $66,000. Of course, here it's got the great bed. As compared to it's got the nice interior too, as compared to a comparable Silverado or F-150. I think this is a bit nicer, and it's got the nicer interior too, and the large touch screen. It's not a hybrid though, which makes it even better. I wouldn't want the hybrid. So looking good. It has TRD right here in the grill. And I noted too the sheet metal seems better on this than an F-150 or Silverado. And here's your $66,458 price, and you can hear Christmas music behind me. 18-inch wheels, lots of nice stuff here, 9 speakers, 60/40 split fold-up rear seats, 3-inch suspension lift, lots of the TRD Off-Road Premium package, leather steering wheel. So I think this would be the Tundra to buy. I really do. Not a hybrid, more than enough for most people. At $66,000, with the way things are going, this would absolutely be the most I would spend if I was on the market on something right now. And it's got the nice red shock right there. This one looks good to me versus other Tundras, which I've been down about because, you know, to me it's kind of a GM copy, the design, but the 3-inch lift improves it quite a bit. And here you can see here too the TRD spring. So I think, you know, from our perspective, if you were going to buy a Tundra, this would be the one to get.
A few moments later.
Yeah, no problem. Everything looks good on the vehicle.
So the tire wear you told me, that made sense because the front wheels are turning right, left and right.
Right.
So putting the better ones in front makes sense.
Right.
And then it's 4-wheel drive, so.
Right, and then the brakes are good.
Oh, okay.
Brake pads have, you know, plenty of life left.
Yeah, I don't drive it hard, believe it or not.
No, so fluids look good, battery tested good.
Oh, great.
Nothing on the ordinary.
So what do I owe you for this? Thanks for your good service today.
Yeah, absolutely. The total for today came out to $38.61.
You got it,
after
brother.
Taxes and everything. So just need one quick signature there. On your copy, I attached a copy of the inspection sheet, so everything that we just kind of went over is all down here.
Could you put your finger on that? Thank you. Oh, looks good.
All right.
I'm glad I had that coupon.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
All right, yep, thank you. We love our truck at Down the Road Productions. All right, 10,000 mile maintenance in the books. No issues with tightening that oil cap, right?
Right.
Yeah, okay, good. Thank you.
12 seconds later.
From the top?
Yeah,
it's different from other Toyotas in what way?
The maintenance light, instead of it being through the settings icon,
oh, right.
you turn on the ignition.
Yeah.
Put it onto trip A.
Okay.
Let's see here.
So turn on the ignition, put it on trip A.
Hold it, turn off the ignition.
Right.
And then turn it back on.
Okay.
And then it's resetting oil maintenance data.
I see. So set the truck to accessory, go to trip A, hold the button in, and it'll reset the oil maintenance. Okay,
so
yeah,
now when you
great.
turn on, there's no warning. Typically on the Toyotas, you scroll over to the setting icon, the gear icon, and it's in that.
Yeah.
But this one is different, so very weird, but it is different.
Yeah,
So.
now is that this 2022 ORP for Premium or all 4Runners?
Just the 22 4Runners, I believe.
No kidding.
So.
Well, that's great. So the viewers of my channel that are into 4Runners will appreciate this knowledge. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, gotcha.
So that one's getting out of the way right now. I'll meet you up at the front. I'll
Okay.
squeeze it through here for you.
All right, great. Yep. All right, first we get a Lunar Rock. Toyota, and here comes ours. Look at that. How cool does it get? So our 10,000 mile maintenance is in the book, and thank you for the great service again.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, have a Merry Christmas, all right?
You too.
Yeah, I think I did this 4Runner right when we got it.
Oh yeah.
I think it's better than a TRD Pro.
Yeah, no, they're really any Toyota, you can't go wrong, so.
Yeah. Oh, you know the big rack on the TRD Pro?
Yeah.
And I don't miss the TRD Pro suspension.
Right.
It's good.
Yeah,
you know?
no, it's very, very nice truck.
All right, thank you so much.
No
I appreciate
problem.
you.
Have a good one.
You
Yep.
too. Okay, definitely Piper endorsed ZMax engine and fuel formula. We do this every oil change. Roughly $34 to $36 right now. Or if you buy a 2-pack like we did, we got both packs for 60 bucks through Amazon. So this was the only product Carroll Shelby ever endorsed for free. It totally works, and it's micro particle lubricant. The fuel formula keeps all the fuel system clean, and the engine formula extends engine life. And of course, your emissions are reduced and your fuel economy is improved. So we highly recommend this as one of our greatest oil change tips. Everyone, thank you for watching this episode. We so appreciate you. Remember to do the best you can do, be the best you can be. We are adding ZMax to the vehicle after this video ends. If you can, check out our store for you fans of ODTRP. And until next episode, we're thinking of you. And again, happy holidays. You guys are the best.